Yeah.
That's all I got too, that's perfect.
I work here now.
It wasn't that. I almost had it to fit, but I couldn't get it to sit all the way in there.
pretty cool. This all started, we put this boat in the auction, and then as it was bidding up, I kept bidding on these attachments, and I won these forks first, and I won them for this much. And then I got this brush mower, and then that's what this went for. And then I really wanted this grapple bucket, so we won that for this. And then I got the post hole digger, which went for this much. That's my one fork extension there. So super happy with all this. After we won all this, that's when I loaded up that welder and whacker, because I figured I was going out there anyways. We could sell that stuff in the next auction. I'll update you guys on what that goes for. So now hopefully we just get some jobs with some of these attachments, and I'll probably do videos on, you know, I want to test these attachments first before I go get them out on any jobs I get. I'm super excited to have these forks. These forks are going to be awesome. Nice little compact thing to lift stuff. So yeah, there'll be more videos on each one of these attachments, I'm sure. Really excited about this grapple bucket. I forgot I bought these two things too. I paid this much for that saw. Haven't messed with it yet. I think that would be kind of cool to be able to cut concrete with. I bought this laser and I paid this much for it. Not super stoked about this thing at all. It's like way more busted up than kind of what the pictures led to believe. And it said it came with a receiver, which I thought was this, and this is just a remote. So we don't have a receiver for this or the grade stick to go with it. I plugged it in and it does spin, but I don't know if it spins level or not. We'll have to check these two things out in later videos.